Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Darul Arqam School FB Area Campus online classes for the new session. This is the video for class 7 for subject English. In previous videos, we have started a chapter kinds of sentences from our grammar tree, that is unit 18. We have done 2 exercises on the book. Let's do some exercises on the notebooks today. So grab your notebooks, prepare a title page of kinds of sentences on your notebooks, and then just below that you have to make a work summary on which you are going to write the date of starting and finish, and then the detail about the exercises which we have done on the book and we will do on the notebooks. Here we have an exercise from page number 101, exercise D, that is unit 18. Okay, open your books, page 101, exercise D. That's you have to do this exercise on your notebook, but let's focus on the book first to understand what we have to do. Transform these assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. One has been done for you. Here, when we are going to transform any assertive sentence into interrogative, first of all we put the helping verb in the start of a sentence. If the helping verb is not present in a given sentence, we use helping verb by ourselves according to the tense of that sentence. For example, in sentence number 1, as they have done, this is his book. In this sentence, is used as a helping verb, so we have used it in the starting and we use it as is this book, is this his book. Now number 2 is the head boy will be in charge of this duty. This sentence is in future tense. Here will is used as a helping verb, so will should be used in a starting of a sentence to make it interrogative. So let's make the interrogative together. The answer will be, when will comes first in a sentence, will the head boy be in charge of this duty. Only the helping verb moves first. Okay. As you can see, there are all the sentences are having the helping verb except sentence number 7. There they have written, we all want to play different sports. So in this sentence they don't have any helping verb, but in which tense it is? कौन सा tense है ये? The tense here we have used is present, simple present tense, and helping verb for simple present tense, if you remember, are do or does. So we put the helping verb by ourselves. For example, do we all want to play different sports? Okay, as it is interrogative, always put the question mark. You have to do just 10 sentences from this exercise on your notebook. You will write a question, then write the sentence with black pen and rewrite it as an interrogative using the blue pen. Okay, let's move on to the next exercise on the same page. Is exercise E. Transform the following affirmative sentences into negative sentences so that the meaning remains the same. One has been done for you. Here we have to transform affirmative into negative. While transforming an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence, use an antonyms for the adjective. What is antonyms means? Antonym means opposites. And add a negative verb so that the meaning of the sentence does not change. For example, in sentence number 1, the sentence was, they expressed their dissent against the official policy. When they make a negative of it, they use a helping verb did not. They did not express their assent to the official policy. Okay. So they have changed the keyword dissent into assent. They have used the opposite, the antonym of dissent as a assent. In sentence number 2, we have, this is a temporary solution. So here first of all we have to find that word which we are going to change. Okay. So the adjective which is in a sentence is a keyword which is going to be changed as a opposite. Here we have an adjective temporary. The opposite of temporary is permanent. So we can change this sentence into the negative as this is not a permanent solution. Got it? So here we have at least 10 sentences in this exercise which you have to solve on your notebook. Let's turn to page number 102. We have exercise F. Transform the following negative sentences into affirmative sentences so that the meanings remains the same. Now we have to do just opposite which we have done in exercise E. We have to remove not from here. We have to remove those opposite sentences again back to their place. Okay. For example, in sentence number 1, they have written, this is not the book I wanted to buy. Here they remove the not from the sentence and then put the last piece, the last phrase or clause of the sentence first. I wanted to buy a different book. When they don't want to buy that book, so that is why they have used again the opposite of it, different book. In sentence number 2 we have, I cannot reach his place before 5. So here they are mentioning that they can't reach. So what will be the opposite for the, first of all find out the adjective here or the adverb. Here we have the adverb that is before. So let's change the adverb. You have to just change the adjective or the adverb of a sentence. Here we have adverb before. We are just going to change the adverb before into its opposite or antonym, and we will remove the not from the sentence. So the answer will be, I can reach his place after 5. The meaning of a sentence remains the same, but it comes into affirmative. You have to attempt the 10 sentences of this exercise on your notebook. Here comes your homework. Make a title page of Unit 18, that is kind of sentences of grammar tree on your grammar copy, and then do exercise D, E, F. Each exercise you have to do the 10 sentences on your notebook. Hopefully you will complete your work before the physical class is going to be started. Try to complete it on time. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.